Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making slime underwater. I'm going to be having a big tub right here, this big tub, and I'm going to fill it up with water, you guys. I'm going to fill it up with all water, and I have my, oh my god, my powdered fake snow fell on the floor, but okay. So I'm just going to fill this whole thing up with water, and I'm really excited because I've seen, I don't know who I saw, but I saw someone do it, and I now want to do it. I think it was Rainbow Playmaker who did something like this. But now I want to do it underwater, you guys, and I'm so excited to do this whole thing. So yeah, let's get started. But if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe down below, turn on my post notification, and yeah, let's get started with this video. Oh, and aka, we're outside. We're not in my slime with me, guys. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna fill the whole bucket up. Sorry if there's dogs barking. My dogs are barking because someone's passing by. So now I'm gonna fill it up with all water. So turn the water on. Oh!
A few moments later. 12 seconds later. 3 weeks later. 3:28 a.m. Eventually.
So now I'm gonna turn the water off. So I'm now gonna start making my slime, and I'm gonna use the bowl inside the thing just because I want to and I don't want to mess this whole thing up. Okay, so I'm gonna add white glue in first. So can you guys see the white glue? Okay, so I'm gonna add the white glue in. Oh my god, oh my god. Let's dump that in. Oh. Okay, my water is probably gonna turn foggy. Now I'm gonna add some blue paint because I want to color it, and that's enough. Can you see it? And now I'm gonna mix it slowly. Thank you, car. I'm gonna mix it slowly just because I don't want it to get that foggy. Oh god, it's already getting foggy, but okay. Oh my god. Okay, so now I want to add the borax. I put my borax in a water bottle. It's getting so foggy. Oh god. Oh god. No. Okay, I'm getting some slime off. Okay, you guys, so I'm still adding borax, and I feel it coming together. The borax is now floating. Okay, so I'm still adding it. Oh my god, it's gonna fall. Hold up. This is what I have so far. Oh god, this isn't coming well together, you guys. Can you see it? It didn't even take the color blue, just because I think the whole color went to the rest of the water. So I think that's it for the first one, you guys. I'm gonna go on to the second one. Here it is. Here's the first one we made. Came out so stringy. I mean, if I start kneading it, it's probably gonna turn into slime, but look how it looks, so nasty. So yeah, let's go on to the next one. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna do the second slime. Here's the first slime. As you can see, it turned out so rubbery. I don't know why. I put so much like borax. That's probably why. Oh god. Okay, so now we're gonna do the second one. I hope this one comes out better. I feel like the last one you couldn't even see nothing just because the white glue. And this time I'm gonna make slime with clear glue. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna make the second slime, and this time it's gonna be clear, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to see like everything that's going on in here. Okay, so I'm gonna use the dslr clear glue just because I'm too lazy to get my other type of clear glue. So here's the dslr. Okay. Oops. So now I'm gonna take these tops off and dump them slowly. If you wanna go to the bottom, you can. So I'm gonna dump it. You can barely see it. I can barely see it. I feel like it's not even staying inside. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put the second one in there. I feel like there's no type of slime in there. So now I'm gonna add some food coloring, and this is the clear type of food coloring. Let's hope it doesn't dye the whole water. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna mix it with my hands. I'm scared because I don't know where the glue's at. Oh, I feel it. I'm gonna go slowly just because I don't want the glue to float up. I can feel the glue. Okay, so should I add a glitter? I'm gonna add a glitter. Let's see what it does with glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of this glitter. I don't even know where I got this. I think a company sent it to me. So I'm gonna add the whole thing. Let's go under the water. It's not coming out. Oh god. Oh. Glitter, come on. Oh no. Let's not even get. Okay guys, so as you can see, the glitter is not even doing anything. It's just floating on top, as you can see. So I'm probably just gonna add the borax in right now. Oh, you know what? Should I add some fake snow? I'm gonna add some fake snow, you guys. Here, so some fake snow. Here, let me cover it up. Just. Oh god. What is happening? Oh my god. Can you guys see the fake snow? Look at the fake snow, you guys. I think I messed it up. Oh god. No! Oh, I think I have glue in there. Okay, so I'm gonna activate it and see what comes out of it, you guys. Look at this. Look at my hand. Oh god. Do you guys see that? I think I've officially messed this up. Okay, you guys, so I took the bowl out of the water and there's no slime left. I really don't know what happened. This one was a complete fail. And it's not possible to make slime underwater. Let me just dump this whole thing of snow in here, and let me put more snow just because I want to. Here, that's good. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Oh my god. Should I put more? Oh my god. Let me put more, you guys.